Ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to make this statement on behalf of the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands at this crucial meeting in Nairobi as the international community gathers to identify and implement innovative solutions for sustainable consumption and production. We all agree that our world is increasingly polluted, rapidly warming, and quickly losing its biodiversity. And we all know that we need to address our current consumption and production patterns. Many solutions to these challenges are found in nature, and more specifically in wetlands. Wetlands, or water-related ecosystems, such as aquifers, lakes, rivers, peatlands, and swamps, and along the coasts, mangroves, seagrass meadows, and coral reefs provide us with services and solutions that are critical to achieve sustainable consumption and production. I would like to start by highlighting one: water. We depend on wetlands for the water we use for consumption, energy, and agriculture, with agriculture using 70% of the existing fresh water. Wetlands are also a source of food and sustain our livelihoods. Wetlands serve as valuable natural infrastructure for agriculture, providing reliable water and fertile soils. But they are at risk from agriculture's growing demands for land and water. Today, roughly 2.5 billion rural people depend directly on agriculture on wetlands. The functions and economic values of wetlands must be considered in planning for the production of food and other agricultural products in order to respond to the growing food demand. With the fast growth of our global population, especially in cities, wetlands take an even greater significance. When conserved and sustainably used, wetlands function as filters, absorbing pesticides and chemicals and removing harmful waste from water, and thus contribute to improving water quality. During storms, wetlands absorb excess rainfall, which reduces flooding and prevents disasters and their subsequent costs. Last year, the Ramsar Convention introduced the Wetland City Accreditation and recognized 18 pioneer cities that have taken exceptional steps to safeguard the urban wetlands and make urbanization more sustainable, thus contributing to more sustainable consumption and production patterns. We need to urgently step up the protection, sustainable use, and restoration of wetlands as an essential element in policies and action to respond to various environmental challenges and to create the future we want. The Ramsar Convention on Wetlands is a ready-made platform for this, bringing together 170 countries, many of them present here, and providing the global framework for the conservation and sustainable use of all wetlands. Thank you, Mr. President.